If you're like me and you've been watching any form of AI video generation options that are available over the last year or two, it's been very intriguing seeing the way that video generation is becoming more common. Many people today, of course, call things like that AI slop. If you see cats working at McDonald's or dogs protesting something, just as a few examples for AI video generation. And just a few months ago, OpenAI released the Sora 2 model. And there's a lot of intriguing features that came along with this. Not only video generation, but the inclusion of audio as well. And this is something I've been very excited to try for some time. And now, as of our Microsoft Ignite announcements, OpenAI's Sora 2 model is directly available for all Frontier program users that have a Copilot license inside of Microsoft 365 Copilot. Hey everyone, my name is Nick Harris, and I'm a Senior Copilot Cloud Solution Architect with Microsoft. Welcome to the Microsoft 365 Copilot Connection, where we provide you the latest updates, tips, tricks, use cases, all the widely used and useful materials for you to understand Microsoft 365 Copilot experiences. So for today's video, let's review OpenAI's Sora 2 model, and let's create some videos like this.
Nice ring up, Whiskers.
You taking my card? That is the cutest thing I ever seen.
All right, team, tap right there. Good job.
Thanks, little buddy.
Or this.
That's right. Tell them.
People of the world, our pets have spoken. The constant roar, the unpredictable attack, they deserve peace. Join them, sign the pledge, ban the vacuum.
And all jokes aside, for the work standard, maybe something like this.
Good morning, welcome in. Morning. Hi, I'm Marcus, great to have you all here. What's your name?
Damon.
Damon, nice to meet you.
Priya.
Priya, welcome.
Evan.
Good to have you, Evan, and?
May.
May, glad you're here, and you must
Riley.
be... Riley, welcome. If you'll follow me, this is our welcome.
All of those videos were directly created inside of the Microsoft 365 Create module, which is now where you can directly access Sora 2 video creation capabilities. Before we get into the demo, it's important to note that the same enterprise data protection controls that we make available for Copilot to secure your enterprise data also apply to videos that you directly generate with OpenAI's Sora 2. I'll be sure to put this article in the video description below if you want to check out all the technical information around how this directly applies within Microsoft 365. So I've hopped into the Create module, and within the Create module, we have the ability to create two types of videos today. The first type of video is just the normal video creation option that we've had for some time. This allows us to generate a video leveraging stock footage. It generates a transcript and then overlays an AI voice. Here's an example. In this case, I'll create the video with the prompt, generate a video focused on promoting a new marketing campaign titled Innovation First, AI Speeds Ahead. And we can directly click the create option here. I haven't enabled anything, just navigated into the video creation area and then prompted. So it's taken about 3 to 4 minutes for the video to generate. Let's just take a look at what it created for us.
Imagine a world where artificial intelligence changes everything, where the pace of progress isn't measured in years, but in moments. That's the vision at the heart of our bold new campaign, Innovation First, AI Speeds Ahead.
So as you see, the stock video being leveraged is pretty spot on contextually to the topic being described. And you can see the direct transcript that the AI voice is directly reading from, which you can modify. For example, if I don't like the initial section of the video and the way that it starts, I can hover over this particular entry and just remove it. Boom, there you go. I can also navigate into the adjust area. I can modify the overall music in the background. I can change the voice as well. There's some really cool options that exist in here to make the modifications that you require. Finally, I can navigate into the transform area as well, and this is where I can directly make modifications to the video via natural language prompts. I can upload files for reference as well if we need to pull from any form of work data, and I can change the overall tone with how exactly the transcript would be output, and then of course the AI voice would read. Now, general note, we do have a video editing software built into Microsoft 365 that you might want to try out. You see Open in Clipchamp here in the top right-hand corner. This allows you to modify videos via the web browser interface that you might create via AI, or maybe it's meeting recordings. You need to cut out segments of those recordings to make available. A very quick and easy and intuitive to use tool to modify video content within your enterprise. Now, navigating back into the Create module, what about Sora 2? So this is where I can click on the Generate Clip option here in the middle of my screen. And you'll notice anytime you have like AI generated options, you'll see these little stars, right? So it's like AI's generated this content, or you're going to leverage AI to generate this content. So I can now generate a Sora 2 based video clip. And this does give me a few additional options as well. I can add a reference file. I can also modify the duration of the video up to 12 seconds in the current standard today. I can modify the aspect ratio as well. I can make it wide angle or a portrait view. And then finally, if I want any type of brand coloration to be included in the video that it generates, I can have that sort of color-esque scheme added to the video as well. In this case, let's go ahead and use the same prompt, and let's see what Sora 2 generates AI video-wise. Alright, so the video's just finished. It took a little bit longer, about 5 minutes or so for the video to generate. I haven't looked at it yet, so let's take a look and see what it created for us.
First, the future isn't waiting. It's moving faster than ever, powered by artificial intelligence. From smarter tools and seamless.
So about an 8-second clip. Pretty interesting. Again, all of that is AI generated. No stock video footage being leveraged. I do think it's intriguing. I look at things like text, of course, in images and videos. The text is pretty spot on. The overlay of voice is pretty spot on as well. I could see where we create multiple of these video clips and then clip them all together in a Clipchamp project if we were wanting to use it to promote any form of material inside of our work. So there can be a little bit of improvement, of course. I could add more context to my prompt to be a little bit more specific, but at least a good starting point for our work standard. Now, some options when it comes to the Sora 2 AI video generation. You can see we can regenerate the video clip if we so choose. We can modify the overall duration. We can, again, change the aspect ratio. We can also view the history of the video as we've made those modifications as well. This does save a copy of the video clip to your OneDrive. So let's check out where that's stored. So I've navigated into my OneDrive, and inside of the OneDrive File Explorer experience, you have a videos folder. And if we navigate directly into that videos folder, you'll now see Copilot generated clips. And this is where all of those video files will be directly stored when you leverage the Create module. So I can click and open up that exact same video recording directly in this OneDrive experience, and it opens up inside of Microsoft Stream, where I can directly review, I can share, I can send it to Clipchamp, and again, modify the video as I so choose. Many options available to me depending on my work process. So the new Sora 2 video creation experience can open new doors with what you can create content-wise within your enterprise, allowing you to brand your assets and materials or create more engagement within your meetings. Imagine starting with an AI-generated video clip to get the meeting started, maybe create a little bit of humor or set the stage for the topic matter that you would focus on. So have a lot of fun creating these new videos, everybody, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section below on anything cool or interesting that you've created as well. If you enjoyed this content, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button so you can stay up to date with the newest videos that we directly post on the channel. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Like and share as always, and we'll see you in the next one. Have a good one, everybody.